I want to share with you a perennial that we have that's really just stunning the crowds right now, and this is Betony, also known as Stackies, and this particular cultivar is called Summer Crush. Now, there's a lot of other Betonies on the market. Some of them actually have like a darker purple or a kind of a brighter purple pink look to them, but this particular one, Summer Crush, has this nice soft pink color to it. Stackies is a genus that is in the mint family, so it's a big plant family. But one of the things that is kind of interesting is Stackies is Greek for ear of corn, and if you look at the flower, it sort of resembles a small corn cob. And what I like most about this plant is that it gives you that really upright vertical form, but yet it's small. So it's not going to be like a tree or anything like that you have to have in your landscape to have that form. It's quite small, and so it really works well in a perennial garden to give you kind of that vertical structure. When you put this perennial in your landscape, it is hardy from zones 4 to 9, so it's pretty tolerant of a wide range of temperatures. And the other great thing is you want to make sure you're putting it in full sun because it is going to thrive in our Oklahoma weather. Now you can see it'll get to be about 2.5 feet tall, especially with these flower spikes coming on, but it's going to continue to bloom as it comes up those flower spikes. Just a beautiful plant. It is deer resistant, and also it can tolerate our clay soils. So you can see it kind of stays put. It will spread a little bit through rhizomes, especially in moister conditions, but a pretty great plant to add to your Oklahoma landscape.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.